State worker unions are pushing back even harder tonight with just over 6 weeks until a back to the office order from Governor Walz takes effect. Today they demonstrated outside the Minnesota Department of Health, which has recently been hit with layoffs due to federal budget cuts. Chief political reporter Tom Hauser asked the governor about his decision today, and he's not backing down. Tom's live at the Capitol with that.
Yeah, that's right, Kevin. And we did learn late today that those layoffs in the Department of Health have at least been delayed a little bit, but still they come as state employees face new contract negotiations and that new back to work order from the governor. Governor Walz says he understands the stress that state workers are under, but he says having them back in the office 50% of the time is in line with what's happening with other private and public employers. About 100 state workers rallied at the Minnesota Department of Health building near the state capitol complex.
There are multiple crises, and it's really hard to keep track of everything.
Meredith Richmond of the Minnesota Association of Professional Employees says her union is dealing with approaching contract negotiations, while also facing a looming deadline for thousands of workers to return to the office 50% of the time.
I don't know how this is going to work with all of the office space consolidation that has happened over the last 3 years or so. I feel like people are going to be sitting on the floor.
Governor Tim Walz issued a back to the office order last month, requiring most state employees to work in person at least 50% of the time starting June 1st. State worker unions say there won't be enough space for everyone. Walz acknowledging the state has less office space since people started working from home, but insists there will be enough when they return.
We have looked at that. We do have the office space and have the ability. I understand that there's disruptions for folks, but the ability to come back to work in there together, the 50% of the time is right in line with the vast majority of every other state government and most of our private employers.
Union officials claim it will require millions of dollars for additional office space.
He needs to rescind his order. It's a fiscally irresponsible waste of state money.
Now, I asked the governor if he had any intention of rescinding or even delaying that order. He simply said no. It will go into effect on June 1st. And he has pointed out in the past that already 60% of state workers are working in person. Live at the state capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.